Ki pulen ke ribhoi tang hapo khalai singi kumba kila dep ban kular kila pendep ke jing toket persha ayu yaine scam kharsati aku asnem karta nakashnong kala pangti ribhoi district ubladon kti ban bat bor bat penyap sundon ya kawai ke hebrid kabadang khalai snem karta nakalyang ka kong s ringsai ubsi na umyam police station kala shimkhia ban toket ya kane ka kamrunar balale adu yaine scam kharsati da ka jingarap lang ki para pulen ki noyalam shnong ki vdp bat ki wei bat ladep ban chat sheet ne pingat kendon no eu haka arpu terek risau hanongpo women's police station case number 58 2025 persha yute urunar hadien bala pendep ya ke jingtoket kabade tang hapo khatlai sngi nadu bala deb register mukadduma halor ke jingsha penyap kate ke hebren ba unyo ke jingpin saja la ru ban pin kan mau ba uyaine scam kharsati arpu arsnem karta nagashnong kala pangti ri bhoi district ulale ekakam pojaj da ka babat bor bat penyap sindonia ka we ke hebred haka khandai terek risau bat ki pulen kila yo aban kemyo u haka step jangka khatwai tering ubla phlaru bolale ekate ekakam pojaj bat penyap sindonia ka te ke hebred haka we ke jaka khlau.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.